I feel like 90s hair is really popular now, and for some reason, I really wanted to do this hairstyle. It's inspired by BAPS, but I feel like it also kind of looks like the Sailor Moon hair. So let me know which one you think it is. Is it 90s hair? Is it Sailor Moon hair? Is it BAPS hair? Just let me know. But I combed down my hair, or I was brushing it down, and it kind of looked cute like that. Should I do a shave side? I don't know. I kind of liked how it looked. Anyway, this hairstyle isn't too hard. All you need to do is do a zigzag part all the way through your hair. The front part was really easy. I also was able to see the back with my, what's it called? My camera has an app that I can look at while I'm filming. So I can see the back of my head, but it was still pretty hard to do, even with the camera pointing to the back. The back of my head is none of my business, and it's also none of yours. So we're going to move on and just finish the hairstyle. So that's what the back looks like. I'm showing what I can also see in the camera as I'm filming. So that's exactly what I could see, and I did my best. Okay, that's what it looks like. We're gonna move on. I'm not really a fan of using any type of hairsprays or like gels or edge controls on my hair while it's straight because I feel like it makes it revert back to being curly. So for this hairstyle, all I did was brush. I wasn't using any products here, but if you want to and you want more of like a sleek ponytail, you can do that. But I opted out of that because I just don't like how it feels on my hair, and I didn't want it to revert. So that's what I did. I really wish I had some bobby pins for this because I feel like it would have gave more of BAPS instead of the Sailor Moon kind of hair. So if you want to recreate this, I would suggest probably getting bobby pins and pinning up the curls. That way they actually stay where you want them to. I'm using the Paul Mitchell Hot Off the Press hairspray heat protectant, and this is probably the only thing I would want to use on my hair if I'm straightening or doing any type of heat styling while my hair is already straightened. I wouldn't use this on wet hair to blow dry. I don't think it's made for that. You have to use it on already dry hair. So just a heads up. After you've made the ponytails, just take out a little section of hair. That's the part that's going to be hanging down. I did that to both sides and then pinned it out of the way so that when I curled it with my flat iron, it would not be in the way. So the iron that I'm using is the GHD Chronos hair styler, and it only has one temperature. It goes to 365, which is the optimum temperature for hair styling, and it's great for adding in curls to your hair. They reached out to me on Instagram and sent this over, and I'm super grateful. It works great. I love it for curling. I haven't tried to straighten my hair with it yet, but for styling, it's really good. I'll show you how I did it a couple of times on this side and then kind of speed through on the other side. That way you can just see me doing it on both sides, but it's really easy. You just kind of flip the hair, add in the hair until it's twirled all the way around. I don't know how to describe this, but you can see it. It's just, you put the hair in and then you twirl the iron and you get a curl. I feel like some parts of my hair are very Florida because they're like orange and blue, and that's just very Florida. So now we're pinning it up. At this point, I'm realizing I don't have any bobby pins, so it's not gonna look exactly how I want it to. But a nice compromise was just using another rubber band to pin up the hair that way. And this worked out fine. I think it looks really cute in the end. But if you wanted it to look exactly like the picture, I would get some bobby pins. I would also probably go in with some hairspray or like a spritz, or honestly, even I probably could have done this with perm rods and some mousse. But yeah, I didn't have any bobby pins, so that's what I was saying there. But going with some mousse or something or hairspray to really lock in the curl that you did. I just don't really want a strong hold like that, so I opted out of that. The last thing I did was take down the two pieces that I pinned up so that we can have these cute little tendrils, I guess, on the sides and curl them a lot less than I did the rest of the hair on top so that it hangs down a little bit lower. I didn't want a full curl, I just wanted something halfway. And that's basically it. Here's the final result. Let me know if you guys like it. Is it giving more Sailor Moon or is it giving more BAPS? I honestly can't tell, but I thought it looked cute and wanted to share. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.